Look to the western sky there. There's a front line coming in. It's starting to rain right now. I was really doing my best to beat the rain. I was booking here. Don't tell anybody. But I think it's just after 8 o'clock on a Saturday night. And the interesting thing is, these flowers. Really beautiful wildflowers. I think there's a mix of daylilies. And I don't even know what kind of flower this is here. I'm just not familiar with my flowers. But this is an amazing looking place. You remember this because I showed it to you last winter. This old schoolhouse that's now literally completely overgrown with vines. So back in the winter, when I showed it to you, all the vines were just vines. And now they're full of greenery. These flowers really are something. I mean, it's like just so many up around and outside of this really overgrown schoolhouse. I mean, talk about an interesting setting. It doesn't get any more cool than that, just seeing how the greenery has kind of taken over. I mean, surely there's probably a lot of ivy. I don't know if it's like poison ivy. I kind of hope not. I think it's more like just, like, I think Virginia creeper would be more likely what it is. But wow, this whole schoolhouse is full of it. There's soybeans in the field here now. Farmer, I believe, was right over there. Not sure. I'm sure I'm not doing anything too harmful. I'm just looking. Looks like they do mow this here. There's the farmhouse right there. I'll take a chance. All the windows are open now. Other door is still intact. I did this last time. It was not a big deal. This is about the same shot as you saw in the winter. And now the overgrowth is really taken over. It's pretty impressive. That's what happens, you know. It's almost like it's protecting it. Very cool to see it in a different season though. And kind of a different time of night. Again, I said it's probably about 8:05, maybe 8:10 right now. Because I knew the radio broadcast just rolled over the ID on the hour. There's some water getting on the lens, so if that's not proof enough that it's raining. Not coming down too hard though. No thunder, no lightning. Just a lot of the summer storms we've been having. More like summer drizzle. You can see the storm line right there to the west. Pretty pronounced. And I see the bees working the flowers. Really awesome. The door is open. I think I might have done that. Probably pretty dark in there. I didn't really want to go in there last time and violate the peace of the location. Last time they were building this bridge right on the side here to my right. They're done now. It's still a little muddy. There we go. Wow, look at those flowers. That is a sight. Very cool. I'm sure there's probably some kind of life in there right now. Animals, obviously. There's mosquitoes too. I think Dean knows all about those. It's the time of year it is. And take a look at this. I know I don't like to give locations out, but you know, it's a cool old schoolhouse. Extremely quiet road. Listen. You don't hear anything but my feet, do you? Mosquito on my arm. Yeah, actually, I think. Oh, I see. I thought I saw some movement inside the door. Actually, all it is fireflies. Oh, here we go. Here comes the rain. Hear it? Listen. It's time to pack it in. Thanks for coming back. Return trip to see the first old one-room schoolhouse here. Sitting quietly in the rain. Later.